because it is a time to act. The rhetoric and all of this has to go away. We have to make sure we can be outraged every time, but it is not that we just have this outrage, we have discourse developing, we have messages going through this and that, then people start to talk about other things. This is not the time for politics. It's the time for action.
Yes.
And that action has to happen above religion, caste, anything else. Whatever it may be, it has to go above identity. Terrorism does not have a specific religion, does not have a specific caste, it does not have a specific identity.
एक बहुत ही strong action लेने का जरूरत है.
It is based on the politics of fear, on the politics of terror, the disgusting logic which
दोबारा ऐसा कभी terrorist attack ना हो पाए.
tells you that there is a certain, you can say, a rhetoric which they are developing, and that has to be as of right now the undercut. Yes, it is also a matter of trust. When we thought that Pakistan was changing its understanding, or it was trying to repent for what it has done previously, it then funds something like this in India at a time where the whole world geopolitics is extremely fragile. This is the wrong time to do something like this, as it is. If it is, there is no right and wrong time, but this is a moment in which we as Indians have to stand up and in a way do something which should make sure that this is the first and the last time I am having this conversation with you.
क्या हो गया है? यहाँ तो रुकते नहीं.
This is the only thing which I wish for. This is the last time I am standing here thinking about the first topic throughout this period, and at the same point of time telling you about the Arctic region, because all of that is totally irrelevant if we as Indians cannot feel safe within our own country, and if areas which are known for their natural beauty are extremely important for India.
सही बात है. ऐसी जगह पे तो भाई मेरा भी सपना है कल को घूमने का. मैं भी कल को कश्मीर एक बार घूमने जाऊं. और अगर ये सब जगह हाईली सेफ होने चाहिए, हाईली प्रोटेक्टेड.
Still accept this after 10 days. If we will now go into politics of this and that, then we will defeat the purpose. Then the people who have been martyred in that regard in this whole process,
कितना एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कितना पेनिट्रेट करेगा.
To even protect themselves with no training, they are civilians. The civilians being killed is a totally different concept of warfare. This is war. This is not terrorism. This is war. This is an act of war on the part of Pakistan, and there has to be now some retaliation from India, and that there will be. So again, I am coming back to the first topic, because we can have a conversation whole day about this. You all can have multiple perspectives. Also, you may agree or disagree with me. That's a separate issue altogether. But the idea is that this should be the last time we all should be having this conversation, because the idea of the audacity which these guys, the guts which they had to enter into a zone which is in the heartland of Kashmir and go and do something like this is, and the idea that this area is inaccessible to authorities, any form of response is going to be late, because this is a trekking zone. They very strategically planned something like this, and there is therefore a pure planned conspiracy. It is not random. We have always been hearing about terrorist activity happening against our armed forces in Jammu and Kashmir, along the borders, along LOC and LAC. But this is different. This is different. This is what I want to argue to you, and this is what you have to understand here. This is different because when it is arm to arm, it is something where we have an opportunity to fight. You are killing people who have no opportunity to even say anything. Civilian, an Indian has been killed.
सही बात.
Who was there just enjoying his